The center will consist of an administration block, resource center, workshops, guardhouse, and ablution blocks. The construction, which started in 2020, is expected to be completed by the end of June.
So far on the progress, all four workshops are 80% done, and admin building is also, brickwork is done, and the roof is on. We put the roof already, and what's left now is only two workshops which didn't get the roof yet, and we are on the finishing time now, where we are busy with tiling and pavings and ceiling. So far the progress is going well. We know there's corona time, there's here and there where we didn't manage to make it on time, but yeah, because of corona.
Fendika says the project was initially set for completion in April this year, but it was delayed due to some factors, among them the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic. Lukman Kluter, NBC News, Keetmanshoop.